Guys, there we have a Huawei Y11i, and today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this phone. So at the startup, when I have a problem with my headphones, I am only starting from the simplest way, just switch off and switch on the Bluetooth connection. After that, you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds and tap on the restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes this really work. So at the start, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. How to activate pair mode? You will find the manual to the device on maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case, I had to click 3 times this button and my headphones starting in the pair mode. Modern gadgets just starting in the pair mode. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds. You have to check it by yourself. And if sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices, but not for your phone, go to the settings, slide it down and look for the system and updates. Now tap on the reset, and how can you have a reset network settings, so just tap on it and click reset network settings. Tap on it, tap on this button again, and after that look for the device on the Bluetooth list. After that you can also try to update your system, so just go to the settings, system and updates, and software update. If you have any update, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one making a problem here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.